Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. I'm going to show you a quick and easy snack with poha. For this, I have taken 2 cups of poha here. I have taken white one. If you wish, you can, whatever poha you have, you can take that. Red chili powder, 1 spoon. According to your spice level, you can adjust that. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and few peanuts. Here the peanuts I have taken is already dry roasted one. If you wish, you can take the raw one as well. And salt to taste. To start with, I'm heating a pan heating the oil in a pan, and as the oil gets heated up, I'm lowering the flame and adding the peanuts to it. Since these peanuts are already dry roasted one, it will not take more than 1 minute to get fried. In case you are using a raw peanuts, you may have to fry for still longer time, maybe another 2-3 minutes till it gets fried properly. So once the peanuts are fried, I'm removing it from the oil and frying the other items. This is a very easy and quick dish which can be prepared in less than 10 minutes. If you have any guest and if you don't have anything to serve for them, you can go for this option. So the time taken for it to prepare will be same as almost the time taken for the preparing tea. So once the peanuts are removed from the oil, I'm adding some curry leaves to it. So curry leaves gives lot good flavor to this snack or mixture. So once these these curry leaves are fried properly, I'm adding poha here. So here I'm adding white poha. If you have the other ones, you can use that. But make sure you're using a thick ones. Where I live in Bangalore, we get some paper thick, thin pohas also. That won't good taste good in this. So once you add poha to it, that's it. Like you feel that it will become slightly puffy. Then immediately you can remove it from the oil. So you don't have to fry for longer. So when it fry for long, it become brownish in color and it will not taste good. So you just add into the oil, mix well, and that's it. You can just remove from the oil and add other spices to it, so that this dish will be ready to be served. So once you remove it from the oil, make sure that you're putting it in some tissue paper, so that the oil will get absorbed by it. So once the oil gets absorbed, you can remove it to serving dish and you can start adding the spices. I'm adding the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. While adding salt, please make sure that you're adding in a lesser quantity initially, and according to the taste you can add more later. And I'm adding a little bit of hing also to here. Hing is actually very healthy, as well as it gives a good flavor to this particular mixture. That's it. You mix well and your dish is ready to be served. You can see, right, it looks very delicious and very crunchy. Especially it goes very well with 1 cup of hot tea. Hope you all like my video. Like, subscribe, and provide your feedback in the comment box. Until we see next time, it's bye.